In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll to click on Device Unlock. Select Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: Numeric, Alphanumeric or Pattern. Wait 5 seconds and choose Next in the pop-up. Now if you change your mind, you don't have to go back. Just click on Use a different password type and click on one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. When you're ready, enter your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Then decide if you wish to turn on Fingerprint Unlock by tapping on one of those options in the pop-up. When you finished, just go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!